Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a WordPress website backup using a free WordPress plugin. So let me log in into my WordPress website by adding /wp-admin, then press enter. So guys, and now you can add your username and password for your website. Let me click on login button. Make sure that you have added correct detail for your website. Then in dashboard, now we need to find out plugin section and install a new plugin. So you can get thousands of free plugin from this WordPress plugin library. Here you can type a keyword backup, then scroll down, and I want to use this plugin migration backup staging WPvivid backup and migration. Here you can see 7 lakh plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Simply click on activate button. So guys, plugin is activated. Now here you can select where you want to save your backup files. So here you can see first option database plus files. So that's recommended. It will create a complete backup. Now simply click here backup now button. And here you can see backup is running. So guys, here you can see backup is created. Scroll down and here you can see backup details 92 MB. So you can restore this backup file. You can also delete this backup file, and you can also download this backup file by clicking here. Then again click here download button. So guys, here you can see you will get a single file in zip format. This way you can easily create a WordPress website backup to avoid future data loss and all type of errors. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.